ito na po. Nagmamadali na po.
Garden, mami, ilagay mo yan sa isang lagayan, mami.
Madam, kaya mo dito.
Dito lang siguro.
Para may pwesto din.
Ay. Pipicture mo ako nila.
Kung gusto mo sa labas naman tayo.
Pipicture ba tayo, ma?
Oo, tayo. Picture tayo. Kami tayo ba dito?
Yan, sa kanto. Yan.
Ayan, madam, sakto yan. Tapos tingin ka dito, banda na. Yan. Ayusin ko lang.
Okay.
Madam.
Ako nagsasalo kung ano yung tsura.
Konti pa po. Twist ka lang ng konti, madam. Yan. Paganta, paganta. Perfect.
Mami, sa likod lang yun ang lahat, mami.
Ha?
Sa likod lang.
Likod ba?
Mas maganda sa likod.
Okay.
Iligan kasi naka, ano ka naka, halter.
Opo. Tingin po sa flowers. Lapit niyo po yung flowers sa inyo.
Tingin po, huwag mo lang galawin yung bands mo.
Ayan. Tingin po sa flowers.
Thank you.
Ano pa po ba yung dadalhin? Ito,
Wala na.
dadalhin pa po.
Yung ayun. Yun.
Tingin po dito, madam.
Face Erica. You may now kiss your wife.
I would like to present to you the newlywed couple for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Chris Lester Bacari. Thank you so much. We are thrilled to welcome you guys back to the celebration of love. As we transition from the ceremony to the reception, let us fill this space with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories as we celebrate Erica and Lester.
Upitin mo na lang.
Now, it's time for a moment that everyone has been eagerly awaiting. Let us all take a moment to gather around as we invite Erica and Lester to the dance floor for their first dance as husband and wife. May their love be reflected in every step they take together. So, newlywed couple. Thank you so much, Lester and Erica, for their first dance. Can you give them a big round of applause, please? You may now take your seat. Moving to the next part of the program, we turn to the words of those closest to our couple. Messages filled with love, wisdom, and joy. We're about to start the speeches and toasts. Let's take a moment to honor the love that Erica and Lester share. First up, may we hear the words from the father of the groom, Mr. Charles Piper. Can we give Mr. Charles Piper a big round of applause, please?
I'm so pleased to be here for Lester and Erica's wedding. Erica is a beautiful bride, and Lester is a wonderful son. I greatly admire what Lester has gone through and what he has achieved in his life. And I wish them the best forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Piper, for that very moving words. Moving next, may we call on the parents of the bride, Mr. Enrique Acabado Jr. and Mrs. Luz Acabado, to share your loving words to your newly son and daughter.
Go first. Mahaba to.
It's long, she said it's long.
Wala yan. Hi guys, good evening. Please pardon me for my pronunciation. I'm not good in English, but I will try. For my dearest daughter Erica, now my son-in-law Lester, congratulations to both of you today before God and in the presence of us, your family, and your friends. You have been joined together as husbands and wife. This is truly a blessing from our Lord Jesus Christ. And I am grateful to witness this sacred moment. My wish and prayer for you is simple but deep. May you build a bright future together with love, respect, and understanding. Love each other and more every day. Be patient with one another. And always keep your faith in God, because He will be your strongest foundation. And in just a few months, another blessings will come into your life, your child. This is one of God's greatest gifts, and I know both of you will raise your baby with love, joy, and faith. May this be the first of many blessings, and may your home be filled with laughter, prayers, and unshakable love of Christ. Erica and Lester, my heart is full of joy today. My only prayer is for you, for your marriage is to be stronger, your family to be happy, and your love for each other to last a lifetime. I love you both. May God bless your marriage and our family always.
It's my turn. Sorry, I'll pipe down. So, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. First of all, on behalf of our family, let me thank you all for being here tonight. It means so much to see family and friends gathered to celebrate Erica and Kay's wedding. It's the start of their journey as husband and wife. As a mother, watching your daughter grow is one of life's greatest blessings. And today, seeing Erica as a bride, radiant, beautiful, and so full of joy, fills my heart with gratitude. This moment is a dream come true, not just for Erica, but also for me, as her mother. To Erica, first of all, before anything else, it's August 25, Philippine time, so Happy 27th birthday. It's still a big hand to the very birthday celebration.
Happy birthday.
So, let me, I have watched you grow into a woman who is smart, kind, and just like me, strong. I couldn't be prouder. Now, seeing you with Tay, I know you found someone who makes your life more complete and makes you happier. As you step into this new chapter, let me share some simple advice as mother and as a wife myself. Always consult each other decisions, big or small. Teamwork is the secret of a strong marriage. Take care of Tay, not just only by loving him, but also in the little things. Cook for him, share meals together, and take care of your health so you can enjoy more long years together. Be his partner, his encourager, and soon a wonderful mother to your own children. And today, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for loving my daughter the way she deserves to be loved. I only request that you always understand her, especially in moments when she needs patience and reassurance. Continue to protect her, respect her, and make her feel safe and loved wherever life takes you both. I am comforted knowing that Erica has found in you a man who is mature, steady, and I was blessed, and just as I was blessed with her father. Just last Thursday, Erica's father and I celebrated our 28 years of marriage. And let me tell you, marriage is not always perfect. There will be disagreements, and yes, sometimes petty quarrels. But what kept us strong is that he always made sure we made up and never let small things go big. Marriage is about patience, laughter, forgiveness, and choosing each other again and again and every single day. So my wish for you both is simple. May you never stop choosing each other. May your love grow richer with time, built on trust, friendship, and unwavering commitment. So with that, may your journey together be filled with joy, adventure, and an abundance of love. So before I end, I want to thank two very special couples. First, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence and Marisol Bacani. Thank you so much for your hospitality and generosity during our stay in Hamilton, and for taking care of Erica since her student days and until now. So thank you very much. Your kindness has been such a blessing, and to your whole family as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Rohan.
And also, second, to my dear college friend Emma and her husband Boots, thank you for your time. They flew all the way from Yellowknife just to be with us tonight. So thank you for your effort. I really appreciate that. So, and to all of our family and friends here, thank you for your love and presence. You've made this day even more meaningful for our family. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, and God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Thank you so much, Mr. and Mrs. Acabado, for that very heartful message. Moving forward, the next one, I would like to call on Mr. Renato Bacani to give some words of wisdom to the newly wedding couple. Let's give him a big round of applause, please.
This is the day that the Lord has made. Dahil uso ko, di ko na rin ako, pero sa Tuhan, kaya ko ito nga. Ang tirahin, guys, English. One of the most important decisions you have to make in life is whom you're going to marry. That decisions will dictate the rest of your life, whether you will have a happy life or miserable life. Tirahin ko na ito. I'm sorry, Church, but I have to talk it in Tagalog. Yeah. Ako'y masaya sa oras na ito dahil sa pag-isang debut ni Lester at ni Erica.
I speak blessing to both of you. Magsama kayo sa ginhawa at ginhawa. Alam ko walang hirap kasi nakikita ko naman kung paano kayo hard working person, lalo na si Lester, at ito naman Erica, lalo na meron ka ng blunder risk sa iyong sinatutunan. Nauna na Bema, pero okay lang. I wish you only life happiness. At ang isa lang naman na may papayo sa inyo, ang marriage is that full of birth of roses. Minsan meron ngayang pag-aaway, pagkagalit. Pero may mga pagkakamali bawat isa, pero kailangan yung magkasundo, magbigayan. Halimbawa, kung may pagkakamali si Lester, ikaw, Erica, ang magtama sa kanya. At kapag ikaw naman pinagsasabihan ni Erica, tumahimik ka na lang at aminin mo ang pagkakamali mo. Ito ang magandang pagsasamahan ng isang mag-asawa. Ayun, pagka naman si Erica ang nagkamali, at manahimik ka na lang para huwag kang tamaan. Yun lang man sabi ko, pero kidding aside, I wish to both of you maging masaya kayo. Huwag kayo tumulad sa akin kasi ginawa ko sa pagkabugian mo araw. Kaya hindi natin kailangan pagsama. I wish both of you along life. Thank you, I love you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Renato Acani. So just to give you a gist of what he said, he just wishes a couple good luck. And it's not always rainbows and butterflies and red roses in their wedding. There will always be, humps along the way, but you should always learn to forgive and forget. Okay? And then last but definitely not the least, may we call on Mrs. Teresita Bacani to give a short message to the newly couple.
Ayaw mo yan. Kasi sa mga apo mo yan lang hindi kumikot sa lapta mo. Lang hindi kumupit sa lata mo.
Basta, ang dalangin ko lang magsama kayo habang buhay at huwag kayo mag-aaway. Kung ano man ang pagkakamali ng isa, sana huwag nyo na malakihin. Magsama kayo habang buhay. Kailangan makakapag-move. Kung kayo lang dalawa ang mismo mag-uusap pagka may nagkakamali sa inyo, napakatawagan ka. Yun lang. Sige.
Translate.
And then can you translate? Thank you so much for those wonderful people who shared their loving message to the newly wedding couple. Moving forward, the wedding will not be complete because, as we all know, most of our families are in the Philippines. So, we would like to share a heartfelt video presentation, video greetings, and warm wishes from our family and friends in the Philippines. They are celebrating from afar, but they are close in spirit. So, we're just waiting for the presentation to be shown. So while we're waiting, we would just like to ask some people here to have some messages to the newlywed couple. Ate Sel, do you have any message to the newlywed couple? Sorry, on the spot.
On the spot, for Tete and Erica, best wishes. So I know Tete, he waited for this for so long. I remember each time we'll go to Buffalo and going back to Hamilton, we're thinking of him because he's the only one alone in the house. And
when my husband Ogie and me were talking. And it's only one thing that we wanted, for him to experience is to have his own family. He's so kind, he's so generous to everybody, especially to the nieces and nephews and to the whole Bacali family. So all we wanted for him and Erica to have is really a good, blessed life ahead of them. And yeah, so I'm so emotional right now because he's really a brother to us. It seems that it's us that are his parents, and we always wanted him to experience a good life. So thank you so much, and we love you guys.
Thank you so much, Ate Sel, for an impromptu message. That was very impressive, I would say. So I think the video presentation is now ready. So everyone, folks, enjoy.
Congratulations, Kuya Tete and Erica. Best wishes.
Hi, Kuya. Hi, Erica. Congratulations to both of you on your wedding. I know you've been planning this for quite some time. And I know it will be an amazing day for both of you. I just wish you life full of love, happiness, and respect. And hopefully next time I'll be able to meet your baby. And next time.
Wow. Thank you so much for those videos. Those videos are really like a testament of how well loved the newlywed couples, right? So, before we proceed with like one of the most favorite part of the program, which is serving the dinner, we would like to, cherish this moment by having photographs or picture taking per table. So, we'll start with table number 1. If we can join the bride and groom in front for a little picture taking.
Okay, Swaki, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much, table number 1. Table number 2, we can proceed with the picture taking with the bride and groom, please.
Getting started here, folks. Alright guys, ready? 3, 2, 1, smile. One more. Okay guys, Waki, 3, 2, 1. Guys, Waki. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, Waki. Perfect. hawak ng microphone.
Table number 3. Can we have a picture taking with the bride and groom, please?
Oh, sige. Di, okay. Thank you.
Ay, third. Sige po, dito po muna. Saan po kayo kasalanan? Ay, una po.
Ay, yung full na audio.
Okay po, dito na po. Ready po. 3, 2, 1, smile. One more. Walking guys, with energy. 1, 2, 3, walking. Very cute naman. Okay. Ayaw masira yung mga mura eh.
Thank you so much, table number 3. Table number 5, please, because I don't think table number 4 is complete.
Nakasentro saan?
Eh, pwede sa waki. Okay guys, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3. Sabay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Thank you so much, table number 5. Table number 4, please, for picture taking with the bride and groom.
Yes. Okay guys, everyone here now? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, walking. 3, 2, 1. Perfect.
Thank you so much, table number 4. So may I call on Mrs. John Fox for the grace before the meal.
If you would join me in prayer, please. Father, thank you for this day, a day that reminds us of love and of caring for each other. Father, I thank you that we can celebrate this time with Lester and Erica. I pray that you will bless them in their new life as they begin their new family. And Father, I thank you that we've all been able to be a part of this. Father, I ask that you would bless them with health, with happiness, with joy, and peace in their lives. Father, I thank you for this meal, that we can share it. And Father, I thank that you will bless it to our body's use. Bless each and every one here. And especially, Father, I ask that you would bless Lester and Eric on this special day. For I ask it in Jesus' name. Amen.
Now, as we enjoy this wonderful meal, let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work that went into today's celebration. Please enjoy your meal and the company of those around you. Thank you.
First and foremost,
walang iyakan. Iyakan na naman eh.
No, first and foremost, I'm just so happy that you guys are able to make it. Lola, you know, all the people, you're the most important person in my life. Now, second is Eric. Because of you, Lola, I'm not here because of you. Because of your hard work, your sacrifice. That, thank you as well because you know, you treated me like your own. And I'm pretty sure if Mom Ellen is still alive, she'll be the most, you know, happiest person ever. I just wish that, you know, she's able to see her grandson. Because I know as soon as she finds out that, you know, we're expecting, she'll get shocked a lot for that baby interview. For my brothers, si Calvo, si Yogi, I don't always know you, but, you know, mahal ko kayo. Si Ate Sen, si Nene, Senda, thank you kasi you guys have been really good to me. And now that, you know, Erica is part of the family, I know that you guys, you know, accepted her. The same way that you guys love me. For my nieces and nephews, I'm still gonna love you. Although there's limitation. And for my new mom and dad, thank you for accepting me. Thank you for welcoming me. You are one of the reasons that's why you and I married your daughter, because I've seen that she came from a good family. I've seen that you guys work hard for her, you gave her a good future, and you raised her as a woman. Although sometimes she has tantrums, good thing I have plenty of experience with my nieces and nephews. So I'm able to apply that for her. Kay Pansot, kay Tito Remy, you know, you guys always been there for me. Tita Lilia, thank you for coming all the way from Saskatchewan, di ba? Sa Ninong namin that came all the way from Northwest, thank you for coming to celebrate with us. Ninong Ken, you're always the Ninong of all seasons.
Yes! Party ko yan.
Kay Ara and RJ, si RJ ang puti ng mukha. Dinay ko yung room.
Beauty class yan.
And 18. Thank you so much for, you know, waiting to, like, post us. You did an amazing job. And for Kuplak and Dr. Thank you for doing the projector and the sound system. And for Maria and for every one of you, thank you so much for coming.
Just want to thank everyone for joining us on our special day. And I just want to thank my mom, my dad, and my brother for coming in all the way from the Philippines to help us set up here and to prepare this wedding. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Also, thank you to my new dad for coming here all the way from Colorado. Thank you so much, and it was a pleasure meeting you for the first time. Yeah, and
Parang nasabi na niya lahat eh. Ayun, thank you sa family ni Tay for welcoming sa family niya. Sa warm welcome nila sa akin. And before pa, parang tinreat na nila ako ng family nila. Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations, Tay. Thank you for coming as well and for being part of the family because of the. I think that's it. Thank you, guys.
Enjoy the night.
Thank you so much, Erica and Lester. Once again, a big round of applause for our newlyweds. So as we come to the end of this beautiful evening, her father has been there every step of the way. Tonight, we invite them to witness this beautiful moment between a father and a daughter.
Your mom and I are a mess, seeing you in that dress. Our little girl is now grown, and I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. Now you stand on your own. You'll always be my little girl, my whole life, my whole world, my little girl. This dance is more than just a dance. It gives me one more chance to show the world how proud I am of you. And as we dance, dance around this room like we did when you were two. My little girl, this dance is just for you.
Let's give them a big warm of applause for the father and daughter dance. Thank you so much. And Tate.
May sumbat pa yan.
Erica and Lester, may this cake symbolizes the sweetness of your life together. Let's give them a big round of applause, guys.
Masarap ka. Wala, kaya mo busin lahat yan.
Yes.
Pwede mo mag-keep ng cake ang laman.
Thank you so much, Erica and Lester, and thank you, everyone. Everyone's welcome to join them. Yogi Abisil! Come on, your dance floor. Anthony, kayo natin. Kayo ating Sai. We are the Atiara. Let's go! Lance Bakani on the dance floor. Luther Bakani on the dance floor. Lisenda Tombalio, nanalo